Hey guys, it's Jill down at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change for good Rams, and now we buy Ram. I'm here to show you this 2017 Tahoe LT, so let's take a peek. So under the hood it does have your 5.3 liter engine, fog lights, front park sensors, really nice dirt tracks on this one, and it is fully rock guarded on the bottom there. If we come all the way back here, you're also going to have your rear sensors as well as a hitch receiver and the wiring. So in the back here, you do have a whole bunch of room to put whatever you need in there. As well, this does have third row seating, which can be brought up if you need it. Inside the vehicle, you do have heated seats. As well, you do have a touchscreen with nav right here, and of course, dual climate control, lots of storage all throughout. And then you can also control the temperature in the back right here. And then there's a cool little hidden compartment with a little plug-in as well there, sunroof, and of course a whole bunch of storage. As well, these do fold flat, so if you do want to put something pretty big in here, you can fold them flat and you're going to have a whole bunch of room. So if you want to make this vehicle yours, give us a call 780-942-3629.